Hi, I'm Joelle Miletus, and we're here to talk to you about our favorite quotes from Body Keeps the Score. As you know, it's one of my favorite books. So I wanted to read you two little parts from the prologue that really speak to the heart of working with trauma, but also to me. So the first one says that trauma happens to us, our friends, our families, and our neighbors. Trauma affects not only those who are directly exposed to it, but also those around them. And I think that that encapsulates what trauma is.
So my favorite quote came from chapter 2, and it says, "The greatest sources of our suffering are the lies that we tell ourselves."
My favorite quote is from chapter 13, and it says, in order to regain control over yourself, you need to revisit the trauma. Sooner or later, you need to confront what has happened to you, but only after you feel safe and you will not be traumatized by it. The first order of business is to find ways to cope with feeling overwhelmed by the sensations and emotions associated with the past.
So it is on page 358. It says, trauma constantly confronts us with our fragility and with man's inhumanity to man, but also with our extraordinary resilience.
My favorite quote was from chapter 12. It was, in order to understand trauma, we have to overcome our natural reluctance to confront that reality and cultivate the courage to listen to the testimonies of survivors.
The quote I picked was from chapter 4. We have learned that trauma is not just an event that took place sometime in the past. It is also the imprint left by that experience on mind, brain, and body. This imprint has ongoing consequences for how the human organism manages to survive in the present.